This video will show you how to remit commissions that you have received. There are multiple scenarios and I will cover them all in this video. The most common one though will be when you remit a total commission. You can put the information in any one of these boxes. You might choose to do it by product. In this case, it's a scooter or stroller rental. I can hit search, comes up right there. $28 was the full commission. That has come in, so I will remit it right here. Don't forget to clear this box before searching for your next one. Now we're going to search for the reservation number for a Disney Cruise Line commission. You don't have to put the full reservation number in. See what comes up. There it is. This is the reservation number, but only partial commission has come in on this one. So I will click the plus sign here, put the amount that has come in, maybe they've paid into net, the date that it came in, and hit save. Notice it will not let me click to remit this commission to the agent because the full amount has not come in. Later, when I get the rest of it that comes in, I can put that amount and date in and hit save. But again, I haven't equaled this yet. I made a mistake. I didn't put the 22 cents. So you can delete that and you can put that in again. So it's $247, 22 cents. And now it will allow me to remit this for the agent. Let's say I want to look up a commission that's already been received. I can go to the Receive tab right here, and I can just start typing either the person's name, like that, it's coming up. Maybe I start typing the reservation number. It will bring up anything with the 958 in the beginning. I'll keep typing it. This is the reservation that I want. I do need to make a change to this, so I need to undo the received here. Maybe I just want to see if that commission has come in. I can check right here that it has. I can also go to edit this amount. I cannot change it in this screen though. If I need to make any changes, I do need to undo that it has been received. Don't forget to clear this though, so that you can go back here to the search and you can look. See how it was partially remitted. I can again go here if I need to see any details about the reservation. Maybe I need to change the percentage that the agent received. Maybe I actually want to go to the reservation. I can click here and it will bring me to the reservation. Now, remember, if you've already remitted this and had payment come in, the agent will not be able to make any changes here to this reservation. You cannot click to change. In order to see what's been done, remember you can click on the three dots here, click on information, and it does say that some fields are locked. Let's go back to the commission remittances and let's look up that one again. Last name is Christie. Search or enter. There it brings it back up. I can again go ahead and remit the commission. Now, let's say I need to change the date that it was remitted. Again, I can go in here, look it up, and I can click here to edit the date. I can change that date and then hit save. Again, don't forget to clear this before going back to your search. Now here's another scenario that might happen. I'm going to look up a ticket order that was just paid. Just put a couple of the numbers in there, search for it. So I just got the commission for this for $499, but they don't use it until July, and I want to go ahead and pay the agent early. So I can click here to edit the reservation and make sure that this says completed here. If it says completed, then when I save this and hit commission remittance, it will now show up underneath the check writer screen to pay the agent early. So if I scroll down here, I can see that this ticket order is here, and even though they don't use it until July, it will pay to the agent as long as I check it off. I also want to note some common mistakes that could happen. Perhaps I'm searching for a reservation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 6. I hit the search and it doesn't come up. And I know that I just got the money for it. So where is this reservation? Go to reservations, hit current reservations. There it is. I'm just going to take a look at it. This agent accidentally marked it non-commissionable. If this is marked as non-commissionable, it will not show up on your remittance screen. Now when I go back, type it in again, there's that reservation right there. The other common thing that can happen is if you've been in this Received tab and you've left some information right here and you go back to search, it will hold this reservation information. So always make sure that you clear this before going back to search. Now make sure you check out the next video that goes over Check Writer and how to pay the agents once the commissions have been remitted.